Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log in your Hungry Panda account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. For this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Hungry Panda app. So once you tap open your Hungry Panda app, you need to now give access to your location. Then now you need to simply tap on a language that you want to select, and after you select it, now you want to agree or disagree to the consent form, and I have tapped agree. Now you can also tap on the allow or don't allow button of notification. After doing this, you will end up in the official homepage of your Hungry Panda. Now here you can find an option called sign up on the top right hand side of the corner. Simply tap on it, and once you do this, you need to now type in the phone number that has been registered. After this, tap on the consent box and tap on get code. Once this is done, you can simply get logged in into your Hungry Panda app. However, if you want to choose another option, we have an option by password login. You can simply tap on it, type in your number and set a password and hit the login button. Once you do this, you will be successful in logging in your Hungry Panda app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.